So I want to show you a crazy cool invention. All right, take a look at this thing. This is called the beam. And no joke, are you ready to hear? You ready to hear about this? Somebody had the idea to take that and turn it into a mobile Skype. So what does that mean? That means that in this company, right, that I'm at right now, if someone needs to talk with somebody from London, let's say they're in London, they need to talk with somebody in Toronto, they can log in and drive that thing by their computer all the way to somebody else's office from across the world and then Skype them. Isn't that crazy? So in other words, if you're in a big company here and you want to chat with somebody all the way across the world, you just log in, drive that thing over to their desk and say, let's do a Skype. And they don't even have to get out of their desk or anything. And then you can move on to the next person in the company. I thought that was pretty neat. Here's the point of the story. You never know how big the imagination can be. Somebody thought of that idea. I had never even thought that there was a need for that. But when you're in a big company, you got to Skype with multiple people. It saves time. So I want to challenge you, whatever your idea is today, even if you think it's odd or crazy, give it a shot because it might just be useful sometime. Take care. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire.